Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Eva, I'm a yoga teacher, and today I want to show you a couple of easy breathing exercises, ones that you can learn quite fast and they will help you immediately. They will calm you down, will make you relaxed and feel better. So let's start. So you're on a chair, and it doesn't really matter if your chair has armrests or not. You can just keep on sitting where you are. If possible, put your feet on the ground, like the soles of the feet are flat on the ground. Your legs should be more or less in a right angle. Your feet beneath your knees, if that's possible. Okay. Sometimes it's easier to sit like this when you move a little bit to the front of the chair, to the edge. Just check what works best for you. Okay? Good. And then if you can lean back, you can actually lean back and relax yourself. Just make sure that your spine is still not too round, okay? Relax your shoulders. You can of course also sit up straight if that's an easy thing to do for you. Your hands are just resting on your thighs, either with the palms facing down or up, whatever you prefer, whatever feels more natural to you. And then allow your eyes to close gently. And before we start, let's welcome ourselves to this practice. So this is an act of self-care. So I invite you to really be gentle with yourself and kind to yourself. Listen to all the signals of your body. Allow yourself to relax. Relax your shoulders, relax your face. Make sure your neck is long. Then you guide your awareness to your breath, just your natural breath. You're not changing anything, you're just observing. Breathing through the nose only. Breathing in through the nostrils. Breathing out through the nostrils. Good. Now I want you to focus on your belly and relax your belly completely. Okay? Don't suck it in. Don't engage your core. Allow your belly to be really, really soft and relaxed. So you can move it and you can use it for your breathing techniques that are to follow. Your belly is relaxed, and now you start to influence your breath with the belly. You deepen it. As you inhale, you allow your belly to move to the front. And you exhale, and the belly moves to the back to the spine. You inhale, the belly expands, and you exhale, and the belly contracts, navel moves to the back. Continue, breathe on your own pace. And if you can't feel if and how your belly is moving, you can put your right hand on your belly, and you should really feel the movement, feel the belly expand as you inhale and contract as you exhale. Breathing through the nose, deep breath in, deep breath out. Belly moving to the back, shoulders are relaxed, long neck, soft face. Inhale, belly moves to the front. Exhale, belly moves to the back. Inhale, expand. Exhale, contract. Good. Continue on your own. And we're going to go the next step. And the next step is to integrate your chest to this little dance of your breath. So you can put your left hand on your chest so you can feel if your chest will move. And what we're going to do is, as we inhale, we expand the belly as we did before. Now imagine the breath moving up to your chest, and now your chest expands. Feel the air floating into your chest. And then you exhale, and the chest deflates, okay? The chest contracts, the chest moves to the back, and then the belly contracts and moves to the back as well. Inhale, belly moves to the front, chest opens. Exhale, chest contracts, and the belly as well. Inhale, belly, chest. Inhale completely until you can't inhale anymore. And exhale, chest moves to the back, belly moves to the back. Exhale, all the air out. Inhale, belly to the front, and the chest follows. Exhale, chest moves to the back, and the belly follows. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your shoulders. Breathe out. And then put your hands back on your thighs and allow your body to breathe as it wants to. And observe. Observe if your breath has changed now. How does it feel? How does your body feel? How do you feel? Maybe you feel more relaxed already. And if not, I have another breathing exercise for you. And for the next exercise, you're gonna need your right hand, and you're gonna bend your index finger and your middle finger and keep the ring finger, the pinky, and the thumb straight. Keep your right hand, right arm really close to the body so it's easier for you to keep the hand in this position. Relax your shoulders, lengthen your neck, Make sure your spine is long and your sit up straight. And we're gonna close the nostrils with the thumb and with the ring finger. So we're gonna inhale through one nostril, exhale through the other, and then we go back the same way. Inhale now through the second nostril and exhale through the first. Okay, so it's always like this half circle. And don't worry, I'll guide you through it. So, check your pose, make sure your legs are comfortable, and if you want, you can put also the left hand into mudra. This is Shin mudra, where the index finger and the thumb touch slightly. Okay, and the rest of the fingers are straight, and you can just put this hand on your thigh. Good. You bring your right hand in front of your face, in front of your nose, and let's start gently. So take a deep breath in through your nose, exhale through your nose. Once more, in through both nostrils, exhale through both nostrils. Now, close the right nostril with your thumb, just a little bit, not too much. Inhale through the left nostril to the fullest, and then you close the left nostril with your ring finger. You open the right one and you exhale through the right nostril. Exhale completely. Inhale through right. Close it with a thumb, open left, and exhale. Inhale left. Close the nostril, open right, exhale. Inhale right. Close it, open left, exhale. Inhale left. Close the nostril, open right, exhale. Inhale right. Close right with your thumb, open left, and exhale. And then let your hand sink slowly. Keep your eyes still closed. Observe yourself now. Check how you feel, how your body feels. If your breath has changed, notice all the sensations in your body. And then gently guide yourself back, become aware of your whole body again. And then open your eyes. So these were 3 breathing exercises, and I have one little bonus for you. It's a breathing exercise that you can do everywhere, because you can do it in a way that nobody will see it. Nobody will realize that you're doing a breathing exercise. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna close your right nostril and you're gonna breathe in and out through the left nostril. And you can do that in the subway, you can do that in a meeting, maybe where you're not having the camera on. Any situation I can think of, it's okay to do that. You just somehow, and then it doesn't really matter with which finger you're closing the nostril. Just choose one that works in this moment, and then you inhale left, exhale left, and you go on, just breathing in and out through the left nostril This already has a really calming effect on your mind and on your body. And you can do it for as long as you want. 1 minute would be great, but even 30 seconds, 15 seconds are great. I hope that this was interesting for you. I hope that you could learn how to calm yourself down and how to take care of your mind and your body. I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much for joining. Bye bye.